Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a, a simple and a so beautiful a project drawing here a plate, a small and so beautiful project drawing here. You can see here CATIA use a so nice looking here a plate, a new design create here. All dimension is mentioned here and all is perfect. This body is drawing simply in use in CATIA, and one by one is drawing here and learn here. Okay, so nice and simple project, a simple project, a plate. Okay guys, at first open a CATIA software interface and drawing this plate is design is created here. Okay guys. Okay, this body is save here. Okay, new plate. Okay, at first select a mechanical design and generative sheet metal design, and okay, and at first select a plane is XY plane, and this is a position sketch drawing here. Okay, and swap and reverse the vertical and click OK. And this is a grid is on. At first drawing a center rectangle. Center rectangle is drawing here and mention any dimension. Dimension is a this length and this width. Length is 420, and width is 320. This is a looking perfect. And use a corner, and corner point is a 55 is better. Click OK. This is a perfect, and this is a zoom. All is perfect looking here, and all is geometry is drawing here is so nice, and 420 is length and width is 320, and click exit. This is a sheet metal parameters, and at first click this button sheet metal parameters, then other command is activated. At first click this button, click and set a thickness is 0.9 and default pen radius is 4 mm. All is perfect. Click OK, and click a sheet and click a wall is a click, and direction is inward. This is a perfect. This is a perfect. This sheet is a 0.9 mm is thickness, and and click all plane is hide because this project is looking perfect. This is a perfect, so nice looking here, and this is a perfect. This is a perfect. Next is a drawing here. This is a perfect. Again select up this face and position a sketch. And swap and reverse. And this is a so here. This is a perfect, and some use a offset command. Offset tools is use here and click OK, and anywhere is click here, and this is a perfect. Okay, okay, and this is a this way value is -9 is better. Okay, this is a perfect, and exit. Okay, and use a this command is surface stamp, and this is a very useful and helpful. Surface stamp command is used here. Okay, okay, this is a perfect, and angle is change here 60. Okay, at first this is a select here, and direction is inward is looking here, and this is a 60, and this is a 3.2, height is 3.2, and this is a first radius is 3.1, and second radius is 3.2 millimeter is better. Okay, click preview is showing here. This is a perfect, looking so nice. This is a perfect. Okay, okay, this plate is created here. A simple plate design is created. Okay, and next is a again select this face, and again a position sketch, and sweep and reverse, click OK, and again this is a click so. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is looking perfect, and zoom. Okay, this is a okay, and some use a geometry drawing here, and use a elongated hole. Okay, this is a this tools is used here, and this is a perfect. Okay, this is a so nice drawing here. This is a perfect, and some use a this is a this, and two circle is drawing here. This is a this, and again this is a this. Okay, okay, and use a some relation. This is a tangency, and again this, and this is a tangency. Okay, this is a perfect. Again select a okay, double click here, and this is a also tangency, and this relation is also tangency. Okay, all is tangency looking here, and okay, and mention any dimension. Dimension is this, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, so nice looking here, and this point, and this is a perfect. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect, and this length, and this is a also is perfect. Okay, this is a also is perfect. Okay, okay, and okay, this is a perfect. This point, okay, this point, and this is a correct. Okay, again select a this point, and this is a this, select a this. Okay, again select this point, and this is a correct, and all is perfect. Looking here, and this is a 60 is correct, and also this is a 92 is better. Okay, and also 115 correct, and this is a okay, this is perfect is a drawing here. This is a this body is also, this is a delete here, and okay, this is a delete here, and use a this point, and this is a length is 60. Okay, better, correct, and also this is a 20. Okay, and is 80 is correct, and okay, this is a 20. Okay, looking this body is perfect, okay, this is a 200 is better, and this is a 100 is, and 110 is better. Okay, all is perfect, and grid is hide. Okay, so nice looking here, all is perfect, all dimension is perfect, and this all is green, looking so perfect, and all is dimension is correct, and this is a looking here, and this dimension is a 40, 42 is better. Okay, and all is 45 is also better. This is a correct, so nice looking here. Okay, and exit. Okay, all is perfect drawing here, and this is a surface stamp. Click here, and the angle is, and the click here this body, and looking inside. Okay, and this is a 32, height is 32, and this is a 7, and this radius is a 24 is correct. Preview is showing here. Okay, okay, this is a some edit. Okay, this is a 40 is correct, 40, and this is body is a looking so perfect. Exit, and again surface stamp is 60, and click here, and 32, and this is a 6, and this is a 24. Preview is showing here. This is looking perfect. Okay, because this body is a not a this space is little, but this gap is right. Okay, gap is more, because this dimension is 45 is drawing here, and this gap is little, and all is perfect, and this is a 42 is, this 34 is also. Preview is better. Okay, and click OK. All is perfect drawing here, and okay, all dimensions. This is a hide. Okay, and also this is a hide, and this is a okay, this view is looking perfect, and also shading with material, this is a looking perfect. Okay, and apply material. Material is metal, metal is a steel. Okay, and double click here, and reflectivity is very high, and use a this is a perfect looking here, and this is a okay, apply here, this is a correct. Okay, and zoom, this body is looking perfect. Okay, this is a back side is also drawing here, and this is upper side is also better looking, so nice. Isometric view is drawing here. Okay, this is perfect. Zoom. Okay, and also this is a create multi view is drawing here, this is a perfect. Okay, this body is a so nice looking here. Okay, this is a perfect, and this body is a looking so nice. Okay, and all is correct. Okay, okay, this is perfect. Back side is zoom out is looking perfect, and this is all is correct. Okay, so nice. Okay. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay, guys, next lecture is coming soon, and again select again a new palette design is created here, and more project learn here, and this is a very nice. Okay guys, thank you.